In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Facebook, a step-by-step guide. First, we'll create a safe sandbox so everything stays compliant with Meta's policies. Avoid pasting anything sensitive into your chat, like tracking pixels, internal company names, or billing data. Instead, set the scene with a generic description of your role and project, for example acting as a top tier conversion copywriter, auditing an e commerce launch. Focus the conversation on target audiences, pain points, offers, and copy parameters. By abstracting brand specifics, you protect your business suite setup while still giving the AI enough context to craft sharp, targeted social assets. Next, route each task to the right engine tier using the model framework dropdown at the top of your workspace. Leave it on the instant tier for fast, high volume work. Turning out organic post hooks, drafting variations of comment replies, formatting basic group rules, or scanning drafts for simple typos. When you're building deeper systems, switch to the thinking tier. This tier is better for mapping lookalike structures, analyzing customer psychology, debugging API connection webhooks, or planning a complex 30-day content matrix. Now, prime the model with a conversational funnel. Skip one-line prompts. Press Shift plus Enter to write a clear multi-line brief that defines your role, your objectives, and what the model should ask you. Instruct it to begin by asking 3 targeted questions about your audience, your offer type, and your creative format. Then answer those onboarding questions one at a time to tighten the brief. Once goals are aligned, open your production canvas, type the command to create a structured Facebook campaign blueprint, and ask for an organized table that includes the angle, an unskippable hook, primary, body copy using the PAS formula, the headline, and a placement plan for feed or reels. Your screen will split into a dual panel view with your prompts on the left and a clean, editable canvas on the right. With copy loaded, edit in line, highlight any row or text block, click the small comment bubble, and give a precise directive, such as rewriting a primary text with a story first hook that pivots quickly into benefits. The canvas updates only that selection. As a finishing touch, use the tone gauge to shift toward professional and direct, stripping buzzwords and keeping everything policy safe. Finally, verify integrations and export. Click the globe icon in the left panel to open web search grounding, run a quick check for current Meta Ads AI connector steps, and confirm your workflow. In the Canvas header, use export/download to save a .docx, .md, or PDF ready to deploy. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.